Hey folks, Dave here with Cloud NC. Let's go through the steps to install Cam Assist for Siemens NX. First thing I'm going to do is navigate to the Downloads folder in my Windows Explorer and I'll launch the installer. Once that's up and running, I'm just going to hit Next initially on this first screen. Here we can see the Terms of Use Agreement, which we can read through and then press I agree. The next thing we need to do is designate the install location in our file store. I'm just going to go ahead and use the default file location in this case. Next, we'll press install. Oh, looks like I left NX open, so I'm just going to close that down. And then I'm going to press retry. All right, looks like we're all finished up. Now I'm just going to check the box here to run Siemens NX, and I'm going to click on finish. All right, and with Siemens NX loaded again, we're going to see Cam Assist up here in the ribbon, and that tells us that we've successfully installed it. Looks like we're ready to rock and roll. That's all there is to it to install Cam Assist for Siemens NX. Thanks for watching.